Narrated by Abu Huraira. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Paradise and hell quarrel in the presence of their Lord." Paradise said, "O Lord, what is wrong with me, that only the poor and humble people enter me?" Hell said, "I have been favored with the arrogant people." So Allah said to Paradise, "You are my mercy," and said to Hell, "You are my punishment, which I inflict upon whom I wish, and I shall fill both of you." The Prophet added, "As for Paradise, it will be filled with good people, because Allah does not wrong any of His created things, and He creates for hell whomever He will, and they will be thrown into it, and it will say thrice, 'Is there any more?' till Allah will put His foot over it, and it will become full, and its sides will come close to each other, and it will say, 'Qat, qat, qat,' enough, enough, enough."